Alright, so today's Wednesday, and I'm about to see what we're gonna do today. We also finished up this artwork, a little simple artwork. We're gonna go ahead and see if client approves it, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and start on a bunch of other hat samples so they can approve them. So right now I'm running a sample. I know I said I used the weak little cheap hats for samples last time, but this was designed. It's a simple design. It's just lettering. So honestly, I didn't really think I needed to waste a hat, and I was pretty confident that this design was going to come out good. It wasn't really complicated or nothing, so I just went ahead and did it, and this is how it's coming out. As you can see, it's stitching out really nicely, and yeah. So once that one's done, I'm gonna send one more picture sample to the client. Make sure if he likes the sizing on the hat. He's actually confident with choosing just white on all hats, and he approves it. I'm gonna go ahead and just run them all. Alright, so as you can see, it came out straight off the embroidery machine, and I'll probably just need to burn the little tips that I messed up on. I just gotta clean it up a bit, and yeah, should be good to go. So you can see, came out real nice. I'm just gonna clean it up a bit and then send it off to the client, see what he says. I'm pretty sure he's gonna be happy with it. So once he approves it, I'm gonna go ahead and start on all of them, and yeah, ship them out today. As you can see, they're all stitching out super nice. There's really not much I need to do to clean it up. Just a few little extra little stitches that went off, but once you clean those up, it's super nice. They got this colorway. They got the black and brown. They got the all black hat, trucker hats. And I believe this is the black with khaki on it. Yeah, the logo's looking really nice and big, bold, and the client he loved it. So this should be shipping out today.
So what's on Friday?
Alright, so I just finished up the 12 hats, the Super Saver. We just gotta clean them up, and I'm about to start on these hats. Those I really don't have to get a sample approved or nothing, because those are some hats that we've done already before, and yeah, pretty much as long as they come out the same as they did when the first orders, should be good. So the only thing they changed it up is because they're ordering everything purple, so it's gonna be white and purple and black puff, I believe. Yeah, I'm still gonna go ahead and run a sample first. I'm just run one just to be sure it comes out good and I won't mess up a hat. But yeah, it should be good. It's just the design that was stored there, but once that comes out, I'm gonna start go ahead and getting the rest of them out. And this is a perfect example why you gotta run samples. You never know what's gonna happen. I guess I don't know, somebody messed with the settings or whatever. I didn't realize it, so it just did all white instead of white and purple. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this hat off and do another sample hat. It's all good. That's why we run samples before, so we won't mess up all of them. All right, so we got a lot of orders right now. We got good 300 hats ordered, 300 hat ordered, 36, 12, 12, and 12. And one of the big orders, it has a pub in front and side logos. Well, right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get everything set up for embroidery so that we can start on those tomorrow. And today, I'm just trying to finish up all the hats that are like small orders. That will ship out the small orders, and then the big orders we can start on them non-stop. So right now what I'm doing is doing the small orders. Also over there on the screen printing side, we have a big order of like 500 shirts that we had give to the client like in 2 days. It's a good thing we already printed that design before, so the setup and everything is gonna be a lot quicker since we've already printed it. We already had the screens burned and everything. So right now that's what they're doing, printing them. Alright, so right now we're finishing up these. It's for a local Banda group. They ordered a couple of different hats with like different colorways. Right now we have these. There was all black logo. And right now that one's doing red. And then this one's gonna be like silver to match with that. So yeah. And they're all puffed, so working on that. Should be done in a couple of minutes. Coming out real nice. Usually when it's like a real simple logo, puff embroidery comes out real nice. You can see? I just gotta clean them off and it should be good to go. Came out real nice. I really like the contrast on them. I also finished up a sample that this is one of the 300 hat orders. As you can see, it's the big logo in the front and puff. Their side logo, it's their company logo, and this logo on the side as well. And I set it up so it's faster. It does this logo and does this and this one all in one run. That way I don't have to do different groupings and everything. It's just quicker that way. And yeah, it came out real nice. It's good, man. Yeah, when I showed it to the client, he loved it. He was really excited for it. So hopefully we'll finish these soon and get them out the way. What's going on, you guys? So today we have a really long day. We got a lot of hat embroidery to do. We have a bunch of screen printing t-shirts, hoodies. Yeah. Today right now what I'm doing is I'm running some samples. I'm running a hat sample on that one, and on our SWF I'm also running a hat sample. As soon as that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, see how it comes out. And yeah. Oh, I also finished up the sample. Finished this bad boy yesterday. Came out pretty nice. With the Houston embroidery in the front, the 3D puff. We got their side logo and another side logo. Yeah, I got about like a good like 300 of these to go. So the client, I sent them this hat. Well, this is a hat they gave us, they provided for us. And I sent them the sample, I sent them pictures and the video, and they approved it. So we're gonna go ahead and knock these out as well. I'm just waiting for this sample to be, I'm just waiting for this sample to finish off. And that one as well, because that's another 300 hats we gotta finish. So yeah, it's just, you know, this thing stitched out amazing. I usually don't have any faith on the SWF, which is for hats, which is the reason why we bought the ZSK. But on this one, it came out really nice. It's gonna be different color hats. Well, they're all gonna be color, black color, but the thread's gonna be different color. And this thing stitched out amazing. No gaps on nothing. It didn't even stop. The only reason it stopped is because it needed the bobbin changed out. Other than that, it came out nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and send this stitch out to the client real quick. Take a quick video and then see what he says. I gotta clean it up a bit. You know, we gotta make sure there's no lint on it, so the client looks at the product nice and clean. Maybe he wants to use it for his Instagram or whatever. It's all up to him, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of it. Let me take a quick video of it. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and send this out to the client, see what he says. Alright, so we got it approved. This logo, the only changes he wanted was, I don't know if you can see, there's like connection in his logo. I thought it was supposed to be connected, and then this one was covering the E. So we went ahead and fixed that. I lowered down the T. I separated the R from the T, the E from the T, and the E from the R. That's pretty much all he wanted to switch on it. And yeah, he went ahead and improved these. So we're gonna go ahead and start doing all of these. Approved. That's like a limited run, so I think we're just gonna do 12 of those. So that's gonna be those big ones. It's gonna be knocked out quick. Those other ones, there's good 5, 10, 15, 20. I think it's like 150 of those, and then another 150 of it's like the same logo but a different version of it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do those. Oh yeah, this came out nice and clean. Still gotta clean it up a bit down here, but other than that, it came out real nice. Yep, we're gonna go ahead and finish them off. So I got a lot of hats to do, and we got a lot of screen printing to do. Right now what we're doing is we're doing fast monkey wheels hats. We're also doing some tough hats. We still gotta clean it, but it's got side logo there, side logo there, side logo there. We're also doing Houston Street Monsters hats. So yeah, good too. They've all been stitching good. The only problem I have is I have been having a problem with this one. There's something on there broken. When the needle comes down, it comes down like all weird. You see how this one comes down like it does the stitching right? This one it goes down and it picks up, like it goes down, up, down, up. And yeah, it's been doing that for a while, so I really need to get this one fixed out. I've been having different technicians come in, but I don't know, they either don't know what they're doing or just taking my money. I need to find a good technician for it.